Ndawo ucwaningo liyaveza ukuthi ke ezinye zezizathu eziholela ekuthenini abantu besifazane bagcine behleli ke ebudlelwaneni obusingekho ke healthy ukungabe bikho ke noma ke ukungahlumi ngezinto ezihlukahlukene zempilo lokho esikubiza phecelezi ngokuba ke empowered. Isona ke isizathu lesi siholela ekuthenini ke unokwazi Miya omsungula phinde futhi uyena ke umqondiswayo ke inhlangano esebenza ngokugenza inzuzo eyaziwa ngokuthi iBelisa Foundation asungule ke umcimbi onhloso yawo ukempowerisha ke abantu besifazane njengoba banikeza iplatform ukuthi ke bashare ke ama ideas ahlukahlukene ngenhloso yokubahlomisa ke ngolwazi. Ukhona ke kulona uhlelo lethu namhlanje uMiss Miya ukuzokhuluma kabanzi ngawo ke umcimbi uzokuba ke ngomhla ka4 October owaziwa ngokuthi ke iWomen in Me. Angikubingelele umbukeli igama lami nguSimangeli Sibongo sami ngwakachirwa ubukela uhlelo iCatering News Talk. Angike-encourage ke mbukeli ke yiba ingxenye yaloko lolu hlelo ngokuthi ke usebenzise inkundla zethu zokuxhumana ku Facebook isuyena uCatering News Talk kanti na ku X siphinde futhi sibe uyena uCatering News Talk. Uvula khombukeli lobalekile kakhulu kungakho sikugqugquzela ukuthi ke ube ingxenye ngokuthi nje usebenzise inkundla zethu zokuxhumana. Miss Miya intokozo enkulu ukuthi sibe nawe. Ngiyafuna ukuthi mhlambe ngaphambi kokuba siqhubekele phambili ke sibheke nje yona lenyanga yembokodo okuyinyanga kaAugust isho kuthini kuwena?
So ukukhumbula nje labantu besifazane abasinikezela lamalungelo eswa enjoyayo namhlanje.
Nokuyinto ebalekile kakhulu but ngiyafuna ukuthi sibheke nje ukuthi kube khona ukukhalaza kwenye imbokodo ukuthi mangabe ubheke inyanga kaAugust and looking at the challenges that are faced by abantu besifazane engazi ukuthi awanele ukuthi kusetshenziswe wona kuphela to address the issues or the challenges that are facing abantu besifazane. What's your take on that?
That is very true ukuthi akwanele ukuthi kube inyanga eyodwa ukusebenza kumuntu noma ngamalungelo omuntu into continuous into eqhubekayo ekufanele ngabe siyenza each and every day. So ingakho ke uthola ukuthi kuba nama events amaningi wonke umuntu wesifazane is trying to empower omunye umuntu wesifazane but into engayikhuthaza ukuthi akungabi kuphela inyanga kaAugust kube ukuthi inyanga yomama kodwa akube ukuthi nje into eqhubekayo esiyenza ngaso sonke isikhathi.
Looking at ama statistics at GBV, I know ukuthi wena yourself uvela vele kuona umkhakha wakalegal. Ubheka nje ukuthi do you think uhulumeni is doing enough in terms of the laws that we have as a country to try and punish ama perpetrators at GBV? Do you think uhulumeni wenza enough noma mhlawumbe kukhona okunye okusengenziwa just to make sure ukuthi the numbers that we seeing eqoloke iqhubeke njalo lokhula mhlawumbe siwabone encipha? Uma ubheka imithetho yethu ucabanga ukuthi iqine ngokwanele ukuthi ifake isijeziso kulabo bantu labo ababheki abasuke bema perpetrators?
Yes. Imithetho ikhona yezwe okubalekile ke ukuthi kumele ubuke ukuthi umsuka weGBV isuswa yini ngoba esikhathini esiningi uthola ukuthi abantu besifazane bayahlala kuma abusive relationship. Uthola ukuthi umuntu ingoba unento ukuthi angazi ukuthi mangisuka la ngizophuma ngiyiphi. Baningi abantu abangasho ukuthi mina I lost someone through GBV and or domestic violence and lo muntu lona ngangimtshelile mhlambe ukuthi akenze kanje but okubalekile kakhulu ukuthi abantu ababe empowered. Umuntu akazi ukuthi it's not the end. Upremier wethu waseKZN uke washo wathi abantu besifazane they are still the face of poverty. So poverty esikhathini esiningi iyona driver umuntu ukuthi agcine ehleli kwi relationship. Uthola ukuthi une abusive spouse or partner for that matter. Mhlawumbe uthola ukuthi anishadile nokushada but uhleli kwi relationship because of survival.
And that's the reason why you are doing the Women in Me
event.
Before we get into that, looking at abantu besifazane nje abakhona kulizwe laseNingizimu Afrika bevele indawo ezahlukahlukene, do you find that sesifikile esigabeni sokuthi siqonde ngamalungelo ethu and be even able to identify ukuthi you are in a relationship and usuya abuse la ukuthi no njengamanje ngazothi sengisesibeni ukuthi ngiya-abuse? Do you think sesiyaqonda ngokuphelele ukuthi mangabe khona nge-abuse in GBV? What are we talking about as women now?
Ngicabanga ukuthi uma ngabe uku-abusive relationship it takes mhlambe umuntu oseduzane ukuthi aqhwebe ukuthi ayibo uyabona yini ukuthi awukho right. Abanye they are aware ezingisho bayabona ukuthi okay i-relationship engikuyona ayikho functional ayisebenzi kodwa because ngihlalela ukuthi ngisurvive ngiyahlala ngiyabo. Omunye uzothi mina bengaboni ukuthi ngiya abuse bengaboni bengitshela ukuthi uyangithanda ngoba uyangishaya uyayibona lezo zinto lezo so abanye abantu besifazane ngempela it's the lack of knowledge abazi ukuthi mapha ama signs noma ulayini ukudweba ulayini ukuthi how far can a partner go because omunye uzothi no uyangipanisha ngoba uyangithanda which is not really the case but the moment uzizwa ukuthi angisekho comfortable akusemina lona mhlambe angisenabo ngisho abangani because upartner wami says akufanele ngibe nabangani mhlambe akufanele ngifike endlini ngesikhathi esukuthi yabo zonke lezo zinto lezo those are some of the signs ukuthi lo muntu lo is abusing you uyabona so to answer you nje briefly abanye bayazi but iningi abazi bashaywa na ignorance ukuthi nje no mhlambe it's part of it nanokuthi ke sikhule kwi-era la bekuthiwa khona bekezela ezumuntu wesifazane uyabo so abanye basaphila kuleyo bekezela ring uyabo which is not right yeah
do you think we still need to do more campaigns where we can see mhlambe kona iPhilisa Foundation maybe going even kulezo ndawo ezisemaphandleni nongoma hluhluwe njalo zonke indawo ezikhona kulizwe laseNingizimu Afrika where you teaching abantu besifazane about one do you think kukhona mhlambe isidingo sokuthi kube khona more campaigns nakwamanye ama organizations because I know ukuthi maningi kakhulu aqondene nakho empower abantu besifazane
kubaluleke kakhulu njengoba ngishile ekuqaleni ukuthi it's an ongoing process it's an ongoing process because kuqala ekutheni understand ukuthi as umuntu wesifazane ilungelo lakho lithini yabo that is where we come in ngethina ezinhlaka zezomthetho yebo mina ngiyayisebenza as ummeli kodwa siyahamba senza ama outreach ukuthi abantu babe empowered ngamalungelo ziningi inhlangano ezusho ezidila or ezisiza umphakathi mayelana nokuthi abantu besifazane ba understand amalungelo and also enye into asingabashiyi nabantu besilisa as much as sifocus kubantu besifazane kodwa nabantu besilisa bayahlukumezeka kodwa ke okwamanje focus yethu isasekutheni abantu besifazane
unokwazi Mia ovela kuyona ke inhlangano esebenza ngokugenza inzuzo ezwa ukuthi ke iPhilisa Foundation esinayo kuloko hlelo lethu sikhuluma kabanzi ke nangawo ke umcimbi abazobuyenza ngawo ke umhla ka4 October okwazi ukuthi ke iwomen in me lesi sigaba sothengisa makabe sibuya so besingena kuso ke sigaba sesibilisele ke nje uhlelo lakho iKaizer News Talk uyibukelayo Asibingelele mbukeli sikomkeleke kusoke isigaba sesibilisa lokho nje uhlelo lakho iKaizer News Talk uyibukela igama lami nguSimangele isibongo sami ngwakachirwa ngikhumbuze ke mbukeli uhlelo lolu odlala njalo ke ngolesibili ngesikhathi sodwa u7:30 kwintandokazi kamabona kude wakho i1 Kaizer TV kanti kon DStv we are channel 261 yakwazi ukubona konke ke okusuka ukuhlala kwazo zonke inhlelo ezikhona kona ke umabona kude wakho kanti mawusanda kuvulela umabona kude wakho ngikhumbuze ukuthi ke kuluhlelo lethu sanjele uyena ke uMiss unokwazi Mia omsungula phinde futhi abuyena ke umqondiswayo kwenhlangano esebenza ngokugenza inzuzo eyazwa ukuthi ke iPhilisa Foundation abantu omcimbi omkhulu ke ngomhla ka4 October wazwa ukuthi ke iwomen in me nonhloso yawo ukunikeza abantu besifazane ke ama powers noma ke ukubahlomisa ngolwazi ukuze bizokwazi ke ukuthi ke bakwazi ukuyimele baphinde futhi bakwazi ke ukuthi ke bakwazi ukuthi babhekane nazo zonke ke izimo ikakhulukazi njengoba ucwaningo liyaveza ukuthi ke yiningi labantu besifazane ligcina ke lihleli ke ebudlelwaneni obungekho healthy ngenxa yokuthi ke alikho ke empowered yilona ke into bayishona kule nhlangano ukuthi ke abantu besifazane bayadinga ukuthi ke bahlonyiswe ngolwazi ukuze bazokwazi ukuthi ke bazimele ukhona ke uMiss Mia kulona kohlelo lethu ukusinikeza more information ngayo ke ifoundation avela ngaphansi kwayo ngiyafuna ukuthi singene kuona umcimbi ngomhla ka4 October just to look at what motivated the idea.
Okay. Growing up elokishini as umuntu wesifazane omncane sikhula ama challenges ekhona yabo ukhula nje lokishini kukhona nje abantu nje abafana bahlala estradini ukwazi ukuthi mawuyojika liyakhona fanele ugijima you understand so umuntu kule elokishini, I'm putting that as a lighter note. Kodwa ke kukhona abantu abakhule ngaphansi kweingcindezi ezi-serious kakhulu. So i-motivation ivele ekutheni ngikhuliswa abantu besifazane. Yes, I had both parents, ubaba nomkhulu bebekhona, kodwa ngikhule nje ekhaya la ngikhuliswe khona ugogo iMbokodo. And I am the person that I am today because of ugogo wami. And umamncane as well contributed a lot for ukuthi ngithole even the education that I have and become a lawyer that I am today. So looking at that, ukuthi abantu besifazane, they've got so much power. Uma ngabe ukuthi they are willing to do it. So imotivation ivele lapha ekutheni mina I was empowered by abantu besifazane, strong women. So why not empower nabanye abantu futhi, because iqiniso lithi indlela ibuzwa kwabaphambili. And ubuka futhi nalapho oqhamuka khona ubuke, and you try to model ukuthi okay, uma wami noma ugogo wami ungikhulise kanje, so nami I want to walk in the same steps abawukhe kuwona. Bona they could not maybe bahlale la ngikhona or basungula ama foundation, but thina esesinayo icapacity sesiyakwenza lokho ukuthi sisungula ama foundation lapho khona si create ama platform for abantu besifazane ukuthi nize nizohlanganyela abantu besifazane, sihlangane sicitshisane ngolwazi, because okwaziyo wena njengoba umuhle kanjena nje i-makeup angikwazi ukuzenza mina i-makeup, omunye uzothi njengawe uzothi mhlambe ngiyazenza mina i-makeup. So come and share ama ideas ukuthi how do you look beautiful as you look beautiful. Mhlambe omunye uzothi mina nganginesifiso sokuthi ngibe udokotela, omunye uzothi nganginesifiso sokuba uthisha, nganginesifiso sokurun ibhizinisi, ngisafisa namanje kodwa ngenza okunye okuseceleni. So i-idea ya Woman in Me came about that, ukuthi I'm a woman, but lokho kubonayo kumina akusho ukuthi sekuphelela, akusho ukuthi kuyikona. Nginama layers amaningi. I'm like an onion. So mawungiphila uthola ama layers are different. So we want to discover lezo zinto lezo uzoshare nathi ukuthi what does it mean to be a woman, and lo wesifazane ongaphathi kwena uthini, uyabona. And then sidonsane futhi even the youth esibakhulisayo abesifazane sibakhulise ngendlela esifisa ukuthi sithi mangabe sesibabuka sibe proud ukuthi okay, we've done very well. We were able to share ama skills, we were able to share knowledge nabantu abezemva kwethu, siba-mentorishe and empower them, because if one woman is empowered, the whole nation is empowered.
Nokuyiqinisile imsulo lokho ngiyafuna ukubheka ukuthi I know ukuthi maningi ama challenges abhekene nabantu besifazane. If you are speaking about inequalities, abantu besifazane kuningi kakhulu ukungalingani kubantu besifazane, even na ku workplace njalo njalo. Ngiyafuna ukubheka ukuthi ngeabuse njalo njalo bade sikhuluma ngayo isigabeni sokuqala ukuthi kunina as iPhelisa Foundation kupho okustand out and it's no we want to address this. Mhlawumbe izinto enamaphuzu enahamba phambili kakhulu uma nibheka nje umuntu wesifazane.
Okay. As ngishilo ukuthi iPhelisa Foundation ifocus kakhulu kubantu besifazane and the youth. Into esifisa ukuyibona kakhulu, sifisa ukubona abantu besifazane be-empowered ngolwazi lokuthi ngizenza kanjani ukuthi mina ngibe ngcono ukuze ngizokwazi ukuthi ngiyimele, ngiphume in an abusive relationship, ngikwazi ukuyimela, ngikwazi ukuyisustain, ngihambe ngiyosebenza, ngiyisebenzele mina. If it means ukuthi ama start a business, ngiliqale leli business, uyabona. And also ukucapacitate ukuthi yes, mhlawumbe you have realized ukuthi you've been in an abusive relationship, how do you then get out? Usizakala kanjani? Fortunately as you know ukuthi ngisebenza ngezomthetho, so umuntu unaleyo advantage ukuthi uyakwazi ukuthi umuntu advise even correctly to say umthetho ilungelo lakho nalo ngokwezomthetho lithini, uyabo. So kahle kahle isifiso sethu nje sokuthi sikwazi ukuthi si-achieve i-society enabantu besifazane abakwaziyo ukuthi bayimele. Not to say ukuthi sizothi abantu besifazane kumele bahambe bephethe ama-placard ukuthi no thina singaphezulu, cha asisho njalo, but sisho ukuthi recognize who you are as a woman, embrace yourself as a woman, and know ukuthi you're capable of more than just logo kwenzayo njengamanje. So it's about empowering women and giving them skills and the knowledge to be able to be better women.
Asinikezele lithuba Miss Mia just ukuthi sidobele nje isithombe ukuthi ikuphi kuzobe kwenzakala ngalelo suku la ngomhla ka 4 October.
Okay, ngomhla 4 October. You don't want to miss out. 4 October into ezobe yenzeka kuzobe kukhona different speakers, kuzobe kukhona odokotela, kuzobe kukhona abantu abadila ngebranding and marketing, kuzobe kukhona abantu that are employed by uhulumeni, different leaders, and into emnandi ukuthi abantu besifazane that have done exceptionally well in their own spaces. So into ezobe yenzeka, we will have a nice sessions where we will be talking and exchanging ideas, and kuzobe kuno red carpet bakwethu.
Wow. Meaning ukuthi dress code now must speak to the red carpet.
Kuzobe kuno red carpets, and i-theme yethu for this year is purple and blue, so ladies must come.
Ayiqalile event.
No, ayiqali.
Okay.
It's the second one.
Wow.
We had a very successful one last year that was attended by one of our own deputy ministers.
Wow.
Yes. So this is the second one. So in terms of Bienzega, women will be exchanging ideas. We are going to be talking. Siqala ngo-9 ekseni siqede ngo-2 o'clock. So please ngicela ningaqale mall as abantu besifazane nithi mthayo shop anilungisele ingane. It's your day off. Enikezelwa yimina.
All right. Umasifika ukuthengisa emarket Miss Mia, ngiyafuna mhlawumbe ukuthi usidobele isithombe ukuthi umuntu onjani wesifazane omlindele ngaleli langa. Asithengiseke imbule Catherine Nyuso kuma ngabe sibuya singena kuso kesigaba sokugcina saluhlelo lakho iCatherine Nyuso kuyibukelayo. Asikubingelele mbukeli sikamkeleke kusoke isigaba sokugcina saloke nje uhlelo lakho iCatherine Nyuso oyibukelayo. Ngiyafuna ukubheka la Miss Mia ukuthi kumbukeli wethu obukele ihlelo njengamanje sezwile ubuhle balomcimbi esezwe nezinhlobo zama guests azobe khona. Surely they want to be empowered nabo, they want to be part of the event enkulu kangaka we kunethuba lokuthi uzokwazi ukuthi mhlawumbe na impilo yakhe ashintshe ustakile la stakhe khona. Umuntu onjani omlindele ngalolu suku kubabukeli bethu ababukela ihlelo?
Okay. Umuntu olindelekile umuntu wesifazane.
Okay.
Kungenzeka ukuthi umuntu wesifazane omncane usasesikoleni at university or at high school, and you want to be empowered as long as you are a female and une drive or unesifiso sokuthi you want to be empowered. Ufuna ukwazi ukuthi uMiss Mia ufike kanjani lapha afike khona. Ufuna ukwazi ukuthi mhlawumbe guest yethu udokotela ufike kanjani lapha afike khona. Imapha ama challenges awukhe kuwona and wawanqoba and wawanqoba kanjani. So umuntu wesifazane either osebenzayo oyisebenzayo oqashiwe noma umuntu wesifazane nje oyihlalele ekhaya. Excuse me, umama nje ohlele ekhaya, that is a leader, because ukuba leader akusho ukuthi kufanele kube khona abantu thwala isigqoko sokuthi I know mina ngiwumphathi, but nje as a female ophethe ikhaya lakhe uyi-leader. So it's every woman and also those that aspire to be leaders. So basically those are
you spoke about young people, and I think it's very important because you spoke about unemployment as well. I know ukuthi bakhona abanye besifazane aspire ukuthi nabo babone babe ama-leader ngelinye ilanga. They're also welcome on the event.
Yes, they are welcome. Yes, they are welcome.
All right. Kukhona nje omunye umuntu obuyathi ayi lezi zinto zomntakabani ezabo o Miss Mia njengoba behamabeli njengoba benje hayi ngeke mina ngihlehlele emuva. Do you think this event has got a potential yokumshintsha umuntu mhlawumbe uthola ukuthi isimo sakhe asihambi kahle njengamanje, but uyayibona ngelinye ilanga Miss Mia, but isimo is not promising njengamanje kulowo muntu obukela ihlelo okuleyo situation? Do you think ukuthi ukuhambela lo mcimbi kukhona into okungayenza kuye in terms of changing isimo sakhe akusona?
Kakhulu igama le event as sishilo, it's a woman in me. Kungenzeka ukuthi bewunephupho lokuthi ngifisa ukuba udokotela, ngifisa ukuba ummeli, ngifisa ukuba unjiniyela. But lelo phupho aliphumelelanga, akusho ukuthi it's the end. Iza uzoba empowered, uzozwa ukuthi abanye abantu besifazane, how did they navigate? Because omunye umuntu uzothi hey mina anginayo imali, but akusiyona imali kuphela okwazi ukuthi uthole ngayo knowledge. Because omunye uzothi mina bengifuna ukuya esikoleni, but come uzolalela ukuthi abanye abantu how did they walk this walk ukuthi bafinyelele la befinyelele khona, uyabo? Because ziningi indlela zokufinyelela lapho ufuna ukufinyelela khona. It's not only one way. So lapha kule event uzozwa ube empowered ekutheni iziphi ezinye indlela ongayisebenzisa ukuthi ufike lapha. Kuzobe kukhona osomabhizinisi abayiqalele amabhizinisi abo from scratch, abazokwazi ukuthi bakutshela ukuthi no ngiqale la mina ukuze ngibe usomabhizinisi weqophelo eliphezulu. Omunye uzothi no but mina I'm a housewife, but it doesn't mean ukuthi uzogcina ube housewife. How do you then move to the next level uma ngabe ukuthi unaso isifiso enhlizweni? Because umuntu esifuna ukudila naye ilo woman in me, lo ngaphakathi kuwena, lo mhlambe you are even afraid to even say ukuthi eish mina ilokho engifisa ukuba yikona. Sizokukhuthaza lapho ukuthi vuseleleka, ungaphelelwa amandla, and know ukuthi la ukhona akusiko nekupheleni. Khona isisho sithi iphupho alifi umphuphi engakafi, uyabo? So sizogqugquzela lelo phupho lakho nje ukuthi nje gqugquzeleka, come and join us.
Because you'll be surprised ukuthi even some of the speakers badlulile kulokho umbukile mhlawumbe adlula khona.
Exactly. Because uyabo ukuthi you never know, ubona umuntu namhlanje egqokile efaka isuit ehamba emsebenzini, but it doesn't mean ukuthi azange azawalk through ama-challenges. Bekukuphi, and uzothola ukuthi futhi even namanje they are still going through challenges, but asisize inkinga zethu. We cannot be walking emhlabeni looking like our problems. So we are creating these platforms for women to just come and, you know, let out lokhu abakuphilayo, and to create a safe space for us women. Because sesadlula lesikhathi sokuthi pull her down, asekwadlula lokho isidala sokuthi angeke uzube yilutho mina ngingcono kunawe. No, sidlulile lapho. As women fanele sifunde ukuthi sisebenzisane, sifunde ukuthi sithandane, guys. Akukho ukudlula lokho.
And kubaleka kangakanani Miss Mia lokho kushaye kakhulukazi sikuyona inyanga yembokodo leyo empowerment like you are doing under iPhelisa Foundation?
Kubaleke kakhulu, kubaleke kakhulu ukuthi empower one another. Lo ombonayo ukuthi kungenzeka ukuthi hayi man kuyashoda la empower lapho onamandla khona ukwenza kwenze. And ukempowerisha umuntu doesn't mean ukuthi kumele umnikezele imali, but knowledge. Knowledge na ngithi there is why knowledge is power. Empower this person. Uma ngabe kuukuthi wena you are at an advantageous position, une advantage, then empower that person.
Okay. Asikhumbuze umbukeli ukuthi amathikithi ngiyazi ukuthi aseqalile njengamanje ayadayisa, mhlawumbe usithathe through ukuthi adayisa kephi kulabo abafuna ukuthi bawathenge.
Okay, amathikithi ethu adayiswa web tickets, but a person can also tenga at Pick and Pay or at Boxer. Although we don't encourage ukuthi abantu bafike bazotenga at the venue, kodwa ke sizoyenza exception because you know khona laba bathi hey angikho sure as I decide ngo last minute, even if it's on Friday ngomhla 3 you decide ukuthi ufuna ukuza ku event, do come, angeke uzuyisole. And amathikithi ethu angazi ngivumelekile ukuthi ngisho price.
I think if you are comfortable with that,
yes, kulo nyaka amathikithi ethu siyathengisa ngo-650, but angeke uze uyisole. It's a full program lapho khona ozoba empowered as a woman. As I said, you're going to be walking on the red carpet, you're going to get an opportunity to interact nama speakers ethu. Akukho lokuzothiwa khona VIP you can't talk to this person, no, asinakho lokho, because sifuna ukencourage lento ukuthi siyafana as abantu besifazane.
Very important. Just ukubakhumbuza ababukela iveni ukuthi kwenzeka kuphi nendawo Miss May?
Yenzeka at the Richards Bay Airport. Phakathi nje at the airport there's a venue called M Crystal. Sizobe sihlangene lapho, sihlangana ngo 9 o'clock, size sihlukane ngo 2.
Ikhona mhlawumbe inombolo abangakwazi ukuthi baxhume kuyona, mhlawumbe AI Foundation abangakwazi mhlawumbe bafuna ukuthola more information, because I know abanye mhlawumbe uzothi ngiyafuna ukukhuluma la mhlawumbe wana find out ukuthi nokuthi with regards to event noma mhlawumbe on social media where they can get hold of you.
We are on social media. You can send us DM on social media. We are on Facebook, Pelisa Foundation, and we are on Instagram and TikTok as well as Pelisa Foundation.
Your last word to ababukeli bethu nje Miss Mia, why should they not miss this event? Why kumele benze sure ukuthi nje abaphuthele lo mcimbi?
Okubaluleke kakhulu ukuthi uzophuma lapha yana umuntu ohlukile kunalo ongene uwona, because we believe ukuthi abantu besifazane uma be empowered they'll be able to conquer the world and make good leaders in their communities. So izani ngobuningi benu and ngeke nize nisole.
And also One KZN TV will also be they'll be present because they are the partners of Pelisa Foundation.
Yes, One KZN TV will be there, and we really appreciate the partnership that we have formed with the One KZN TV.
Miss Mia, thank you so much for isikhathi sakho sipesona kuluhlelo lethu. Kube mnandi kakhulu ukuthi sibe nawe KZN News Talk.
Thank you so much.
Sikufisela inhlanhla futhi kulo mcimbi omkhulu wesibili ozobuwenzeka ngomhla ka4 October.
Siyabonga kakhulu.
Sikubonga kakhulu. Sifinyelele kona ngamaphethelo aluhlelo bethu thulelelo nosungula namhlanje. Usimangelo kaChiro ngihamba nalo lonke ke ithimba le KZN News Talk. Asiphinde futhi ke hlangane ngokuzayo.